Hello friends, I'm Malcolm from AOneAustralia PTE and Nati Coaching. Today I'm just going to show you some strategies for repeat sentence on our portal Mockmaster.AI. It's totally free, and if you want you can practice with unlimited AI scoring. So what you need to do is you just need to click on speaking, and then you need to go to any of the tasks which you need to practice. Since we are doing repeat sentence, that's what I've clicked on. Now in the exam you'll get about 8 to 10 sentences, sometimes can be 12 as well.
Students are allowed to bring dictionaries to the exam.
Students are allowed to bring dictionaries to the exam. So in the real exam as well, after the audio ends, there is no beep sound and you just have to speak, means you have to repeat the sentence. This is the instruction, right? You will hear a sentence. Please repeat the sentence exactly as you hear it. You will hear the sentence only once. So on our portal as well, you get a pretty similar experience to the real exam, and once it's done, you can just submit your answer. You'll get an indicative AI score which will grade you on your pronunciation, fluency and content. It's very important to practice this task as much as possible, but a lot of times what happens is, people see their answers. Now here I'm getting a lower score because I have not plugged in my headset and there's a distance between me and my laptop. So if I use a proper headset, I'm pretty sure I'll get a higher score. But what I'm suggesting you to do is to do bulk practice, means you practice at least 20 to 30 sentences non-stop without checking your answers. So you guys can also practice with me. I'm going to practice. Let's go to the next one, okay? You get 3 seconds before the audio starts.
Scientists are always asking the government for more money.
Scientists are always asking the government for more money. So just go to the next question without checking your answer. That's the best way to improve your practice schedule.
If finance is a cause of concern, scholarships may be available.
If finance is a cause of concern, scholarships may be available. So even if the audio is a bit slow, try to speak a bit smoothly, a bit at a normal speed. Don't become too slow, don't pause.
Higher education means higher pay and more opportunities you will get.
Higher education means more pay and more opportunities you'll get. Now, sometimes when the audio is very lengthy, you can also mimic some sounds. I'll do some examples.
Overeating often occurs without individuals realizing it, leading to health issues.
Overeating often occurs without individuals realizing it, leading to health issues. Luckily, I was able to, perfectly repeat the sentence. But sometimes I might forget, so I'll show some examples.
Overeating often occurs without individuals realizing it, leading to health issues.
Overeating often occurs without understanding individuals, leading to health issues. So you just saw what I did. I mimicked some sounds, My beginning was perfect, my ending was perfect, but in between I just mimicked some sound. Now that strategy is very helpful because it gives you still a full score in speaking, 90 out of 90. Obviously content will go down a bit.
Designated cycle lanes enhance safety for those who prefer bicycling.
Designated cycle lanes for those who prefer bicycling. So this was a second example where I mimicked some sounds, You can also do that in 2 to 3 sentences in the exam.
The potential consequences of climate change include an increased risk of flooding.
The potential consequences of climate change increase the potential risk of flooding. So this is how you should practice. This is called bulk practice. So if you're doing just 7 or 8 minutes, even on your phone's browser, you can do it. Do it non-stop without checking the answers, Don't wait to submit, don't check. Just try to mimic the sounds and practice 30-40 sentences non-stop and do this activity 3 to 4 times a day. Believe me, it's extremely helpful. Also, there are a lot of mock tests on the portal. One mock test is free for everyone, but otherwise we have got a total of 300 AI scored mock tests, So there's a lot of material. If you buy our video courses, which are available in English and Punjabi, then you can definitely benefit a lot. As it says, there are 300 AI scored mock tests. You can see the latest prediction file for September is already live. And there are also video tutorials, which are in English as well as in Punjabi. So you can definitely enroll on our course now. And if you're looking for actual classes for PT, IELTS or NATI, you can call us on the number which you see in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like it and forward it and save it.